6? Shoot, it's 2 feet of snow.
Yeah, but once I sink down.
Oh, I see.
Like, hey, guess what?
What?
Did you know that now we have a 6-day weekend?
Oh, 'cause Thursday off, Friday was already off. Thursday, tomorrow, school canceled.
Well, counting today. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's like my dream come true.
Jenny, do you want to show me more snow angels, or Emma, do you want to do snow angels again?
But you're going to have to pull us up.
Oh, I think you guys can get up.
Yeah, now I need...
Okay, let's see it, Jenny. You're not supposed to pile it onto your face, kid.
Come here, if somebody gets me up, then I can get Genevieve up.
If somebody, who's that somebody?
Well, that would be
Daddy,
you.
if you will get me up, I can help Genevieve.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay, wait, life grip like this, where you go like that. Okay. No, I'm not just pulling you, you're getting up.
I know.
You get onto your side, you get onto your knees. Do not pull me down. Get onto your knees. No, you're not going to do it.
My knees.
Yes, just roll over on your knees and stand up.
Okay.
See? Mama's not getting down.
Okay, got it. I got it.
See why you get on your knees?
I'm coming. My way out. Oh my gosh. Oh, somebody uses...
Jenny, roll over onto your side, curl your knees in, okay, and then roll up onto your knees. Curl your knees, you're not bending your legs. There you go. Get up on your knees, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
So our trees are all sagging and broken.
Let's go into the backyard, because I don't want to mess the front yard up.
What do you mean? It's already messed up.
No, it's too pretty. Come on.
Hey, this was our little snow kid that Genevieve and I made, but it's over now. Okay, I'll follow you.
Come on. Make way. Ow. Oh, no.
Close together, Trek. You want to step in her? This is the deck.
Here's the decorating station.
Decorating. This is our deck. Here, walk more, honey. Walk more, honey. Yeah, so this is our deck. And it's pretty well covered, even though we've shoveled it a little bit.
And then,
Snow Bakery.
see, I made a rope fridge and, sticks.
It was actually supposed to be freezer, but I didn't get the memo.
It's all freezing out
the
here.
oven, and I have my first loaf of bread in there.
Very cute.
See, because every
What a
loaf
cutie
of snow
patootie.
bread needs to be baked.
Yeah.
At 30 degrees for an hour.
At 30 degrees for 2 minutes. Because it doesn't
Hello.
need to be.
You know what was so fun?
What?
When we were having snowball fight, and then I was over there, and then it was up to like here, from there.
Yeah.
So I was walking, and then I just like fell face first in the snow, and Dad kept hitting me with snowballs. And then I couldn't get
2
out.
or 3 hitting me and hitting me.
Yeah.
It's like I'm pelting you here in the ground. I hit you 2, maybe 3 times.
No, but and it was really
So there's
fun
the trees that are-
freak it up, and I couldn't
That's
stop
not
laughing.
Pelter.
There are the trees that are damaged. Looks like this one broke.
Daddy, let's show the cool hideout camp.
Okay, and then I got to bring this iPhone in.
We found a really, really cool hideout camp behind there under the trees because it got all pushed down.
Why don't you go show our cave? Go on, show our cave.
And we
But it's been covered up.
And we didn't put the head on yet, so.
But when it stops snowing, you guys can make a head and pack it in.
See how thick it is?
Thick? You mean deep?
Yeah.
Soup is thick. Why don't you get in the cave, Jenny? Get back in there in the cave. Crawl on back.
Me?
I said Jenny, but you can get in after.
Nah,
Okay, go ahead.
I don't really fit.
You do fit. I fit. I was in there. I was the one that discovered it.
Snowball down here.
You did.
I'm afraid some animal is gonna come along and like give us rabies.
Give you rabies? Honey, you're not going to get attacked by a squirrel.
Yeah.
It's just not going to happen.
Scary.
Oh, the raccoon attacks have really been vicious in King of Prussia.
Oh, but there are squirrels crawling around. I mean, I'm not scared of the squirrels. I'm scared, just like it would be just.
Okay, let's see if I can see you. Pull your leg in, and let's see if you're hidden if I get after you. Nope, I can see Amaretto's pinkness.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I was just checking to see whether or not you were hidden from view.
My picture is Amaretto.
Amaretto's. If you guys were in white, I wouldn't be able to tell. Okay, I'm bringing this phone inside. It is a winter wonderland out here. Well, I'm going to go put it away and then I'm going to play with you guys. I told you I'd play a little bit more. Well, Mom and Dad, I hope you're enjoying the 80-degree weather in Cottonwood, Arizona. And we're enjoying our blizzard here. Love you guys.